Hello, and welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here, especially if you love DIY, woodworking, and home decor. In today's video, we'll dive into some fantastic wooden projects that are both functional and beautiful, perfect for adding a personal touch to your home while also earning some extra cash. If you enjoy our content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more amazing content. Stay with us until the end for some bonus tips and tricks that you won't want to miss. Thank you for joining us today, and let's get crafting. Wooden crafts as a business. The woodworking industry has seen a significant revival as consumers increasingly seek unique, handcrafted items that add character to their homes. Unlike mass-produced products, wooden crafts offer a personal touch that appeals to those looking for distinctive decor. By entering this market, aspiring craftsmen can tap into a growing demand, turning their passion for woodworking into a viable business. Understanding the nuances of this market, including consumer preferences and trends, is essential for success. Identifying market trends. Current market trends show a pronounced shift towards eco-friendly and sustainable products. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, they are drawn to items made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials. This trend not only reflects a desire for quality, but also aligns with a broader societal push for sustainability. By incorporating these materials into your wooden projects, you can meet this demand while appealing to a customer base that values ethical consumption. Crafting functional decor. Crafting functional decor. The intersection of aesthetics and functionality is where successful wooden crafts thrive. Items such as storage solutions, wall organizers, and kitchen utensils not only enhance the visual appeal of a space, but also provide practical benefits. Consumers are increasingly looking for decor that serves a purpose, making functional designs a key selling point. By focusing on creating items that solve everyday problems while also looking good, you can attract a wider audience and encourage repeat purchases. Customization and personalization. In a market saturated with generic products, customization offers a significant competitive edge, allowing customers to personalize their wooden items, whether through color choices, sizes, or engravings, can significantly enhance their appeal. This personal touch not only increases the perceived value of your products, but also fosters a deeper connection between the customer and the item. Personalized products often lead to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty, making them more likely to return for future purchases. Effective marketing strategies. To successfully market your wooden crafts, leveraging social media platforms is crucial. Visual platforms like Instagram and Pinterest allow you to showcase high-quality images of your projects, capturing the attention of potential buyers. Combining striking visuals with engaging narratives about your crafting process can foster a sense of community and connection. Additionally, using targeted ads can help you reach specific demographics, ensuring that your marketing efforts are as efficient as possible. Building an online presence. Establishing an online presence is essential for reaching a broader audience. An e-commerce website or a store on platforms like Etsy can serve as your virtual storefront. It's important to create an appealing and user-friendly website that highlights your products effectively. Clear descriptions, high-quality images, and easy navigation are crucial for a positive shopping experience. Implementing SEO strategies can further enhance your online visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find your products. Building an online presence. Establishing an online presence is essential for reaching a broader audience. An e-commerce website or a store on platforms like Etsy can serve as your virtual storefront. It's important to create an appealing and user-friendly website that highlights your products effectively. Clear descriptions, high-quality images, and easy navigation are crucial for a positive shopping experience. Implementing SEO strategies can further enhance your online visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find your products. Understanding your target audience. Identifying your target audience is fundamental to tailoring your products and marketing strategies. Analyzing demographics such as age, lifestyle, and income level can help you understand who your ideal customers are and what they value. For example, younger consumers may prefer trendy, minimalist designs, while older customers might appreciate classic or rustic aesthetics. Tailoring your offerings to meet the specific preferences of your target demographic can significantly enhance your sales potential. Creating an engaging brand story. Consumers are increasingly drawn to brands with compelling narratives. Sharing your journey as a woodworker, including what inspired you to start crafting and your commitment to quality, can create a relatable and authentic brand image. A well-crafted brand story can foster emotional connections with your audience, making them more likely to support your business. Highlighting your passion for woodworking and the craftsmanship behind each piece can enhance customer loyalty and increase word-of-mouth referrals. Pricing strategies for profitability. Setting competitive yet profitable prices for your wooden projects is crucial. Consider all costs involved: materials, labor, and overhead when determining your pricing strategy. Researching market prices for similar products can also provide insight into what consumers are willing to pay. Offering tiered pricing for different customization options can cater to various budgets, ensuring that you attract a broad customer base while maximizing your profit margins. Utilizing customer feedback. Customer reviews and feedback are invaluable resources for improving your products and services. Actively encourage customers to leave reviews and use this information to make necessary adjustments. Positive testimonials can serve as powerful marketing tools, enhancing your brand's credibility. Additionally, addressing negative feedback constructively can demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction and lead to better retention rates. Building community engagement. Engaging with your community can enhance brand loyalty and awareness. Hosting workshops or classes to teach woodworking skills can foster a sense of community while promoting your brand. These events not only position you as an expert, but also allow potential customers to interact with your products firsthand. Building relationships within your community can lead to increased word-of-mouth referrals and a loyal customer base. Sustainability practices. Incorporating sustainable practices into your business model can attract eco-conscious consumers. Using eco-friendly finishes, sourcing materials responsibly, and minimizing waste are all practices that resonate with a growing segment of the market. Highlighting these efforts in your marketing can differentiate your brand and appeal to consumers who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. Adapting to seasonal trends. Seasonal decor trends can offer opportunities for increased sales throughout the year. Crafting limited edition items for holidays or special occasions can tap into the festive spirit, diversifying your product offerings and keeping your brand relevant. By staying attuned to seasonal trends, you can create products that resonate with consumers, encouraging timely purchases. Long-term growth strategies. As your business expands, consider diversifying your product line or exploring wholesale opportunities. Collaborating with local retailers or other artisans can enhance your reach and revenue potential. Continuously innovating and adapting your offerings to meet changing market demands will ensure long-term success in the woodworking business. Establishing a solid foundation now will allow you to scale your operations and maximize your profitability in the future. In conclusion, entering the market for simple yet stylish wooden projects offers a wealth of opportunities for creative individuals. By understanding market dynamics, effectively marketing your products, and fostering connections with your audience, you can create a successful and sustainable business that not only beautifies homes but also generates income. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found it inspiring and helpful for your own woodworking projects. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. It really helps us out and allows us to keep creating more great videos for you. We appreciate your support, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Happy crafting!